If you're using Rocket Money to track all your spending and subscriptions, you've probably tried searching for Cash App and hit a bit of a wall. So let me explain to you how to add it to your Rocket Money. So firstly, let me explain why Cash App doesn't sync directly with Rocket Money. So Rocket Money uses a secure third-party data aggregator called Plaid to pull in your financial data. Currently, Plaid does not directly support direct syncing for standalone Cash App wallet balances. However, you can still track all your Cash App spending by linking primary bank account or debit card that funds your Cash App wallet. Whenever you add cash or withdraw funds, those transfers will automatically populate inside your Rocket Money dashboard. So how do we link your funding bank account inside Rocket Money? So open the app, or you can also use the website, of course, and then you just tap the Accounts tab. After that, tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Tap the plus icon in the top corner to add new financial institution. Also, if you're on desktop, there you go. Under the dashboard, we have accounts, and in here, as you can see, you can add your checking or credit card. So you just press on this plus add button and add your financial institution. Search for the bank or card issuer linked to your Cash App account, such as Barclays, HSBC, Chase, or Lloyds. Log into your bank portal through the secure Plaid portal, authorize the connection, and tap Save. And also, what if you use Cash App as your primary account? You need to open your Cash App, tap the Money tab, and check your banking details under Sutton Bank or Lincoln Savings. So just go ahead and do these steps and add your card to Rocket Money. Enjoy.